nigga gotta chill. The heat is like a cookout, I leave it by your grill. At the barber with a nice clean cut, jumped in the vanilla Hummer, ice cream truck with a light skin slut getting a nice meat up. Cause my diamonds clear as water when my ice freeze up. Whoa, I think I'm Ray Charles, I'm pushing keys, I got my shades on, I'm looking fleek, real nigga, I don't mess around, real nigga. I got a woman, I'm smack syndrome, always got a hater looking. I think I'm Ray Charles, I'm pushing keys, I got my shades on, I'm looking fleek, I don't mess around, real nigga. I got a woman, my swag syndrome, always got a. Okay, it's all about the money in this world, shorty keep it real. So I'm lifting weight up out the track like I body build. Everywhere I go, all my haters know I got a meal. Bentley coupe, model bitches, now I know I got it feel. Trips to Jamaica, hustle hard for my paper. Mission sitting on acres, like I play for the Lakers. Yeah, my life is a movie, couple hoes in jacuzzi, couple gangsters with Uzi. So you haters can't move me. Said they never seen a young nigga get so fly, never seen a young nigga sit so high, never seen a young nigga push this game, never seen a young nigga pitch this way. Little nigga on the block with the greasy flow, so I feel so broke, make easy dough. I ain't really playing games on me, you should know. I'm a pimp, so your boy never losing dough. I think I'm Ray Charles, I'm pushing keys, I got my shades on, I'm looking fleek, I don't mess around, I got a woman, I'm smoking syndrome, always got a. Yeah.
Ooh. Hey, where you from though?
I'm from Queens, man, Shadyville, man.
Alright, man, shout out to Shadyville, Queens, Queensville, of course, man. We have some feedback from Ant Lover, baby.
Stage presence was really good. Style was good. I don't know, but overall, I thought you guys was good.
Yo, what up, what up? Be your boy Roctoba from Priceless Enterprise, Priceless Music Group. I'm saying we out here, we out here in New York. I'm saying holding this shit down.
Yo, talk to us, man. Talk to us about P.E.G.
P.E.G. is basically an independent label that's pushing me right now. You know what I'm saying? It's me. And we got a lot of artists that's making moves, that's on a movement. You know what I'm saying? We just grinding right now, pushing mixtape, music videos and shit. You know what I'm saying? Doing the whole 9 yards, man.
Alright. So what is Roctoba? What's Roctoba's brand?
Roctoba, I mean, the name came about. I'm a Libra. To me, that's what identifies me. You know what I'm saying? They used to call me that since junior high school. And I just went along with the name, you know what I'm saying? People say it's catchy and shit, and it's different, so that's what I'm about. I represent me, you know what I'm saying?
How long you been spitting?
Been rapping for like, what, 8 years? Started doing this shit in school. I ain't take it serious until I joined this talent show and I won a trophy, which was judged by M.Ceazar freshman year, and from there on and on, started going to the studio and shit like that, booking shows, you know what I'm saying? And it is what it is.
Musical influences.
I mean, I say myself, growing up, I used to listen to DMX, Jay-Z, The Locks, Nas, Tupac, Biggie Smalls. I'm saying a whole lot of old artists, man. I'm not gonna say old artists, but to the new kids out there, these are like the old school, you know what I'm saying? It's J. Cole, you know what I'm saying? I feel his grind. I feel like I could relate to the shit that he talks about, because I'm on that same platform and stuff like that. He relates to, I mean, a lot of people in the hood can relate to that. A lot of artists these days, they forget, I mean, where they came from, and it's like, I don't know, maybe it has to do with the record company and paperwork that's behind all that. But the best thing, it's a blessing when you're able to talk about however you're feeling at the moment, you know what I'm saying? To me, that's what music is about, expressing what you got going on, you know what I'm saying? It's about happiness, I mean, sad and emotions, you know what I'm saying? And to me, it's basically going to the booth and just having a good time, having fun with what I do, you know what I mean? That's what's most important.
When you wrote your first record?
Shit. What, like, I was in 8th grade, like, and that shit, I was always a nice nigga though, man. Ask niggas about me, you know what I'm saying? My real fans and shit, they know what it is, you know what I'm saying? A lot of niggas probably still got my CDs. My first mixtape, Magnificent. We started out with a group called the Magnificent. I don't know if you remember that.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And from there, we just been grinding, going hard, handing them hard, son, you know what I mean? And we here, it's 2011, we out here. Niggas making moves, incomparable mixtape. Shit, that's why I got popping right now. But I don't know if you want to even get to that yet.
That's exactly where we're going right now. Talk to us about what does incomparable mean?
Me and my photographer, we sitting down and he also designed. Shout out to my homie Sergio from Party Replay / Priceless Vision. You know what I'm saying? We sitting down talking about this shit. He was like, yo, just switch it up and shit. Call it ink, you know what I'm saying? Meaning like pen and pad, like fire and shit, rotten flames and shit. I'm like, yo, that's dope, you know what I'm saying? So we just went along with it and stuff. The words basically mean like original. That's, I mean, you being different from everybody else that's out there, you know what I'm saying? It's outstanding and shit, you know what I'm saying? Perfectly describe what I got going on.
Alright. How many songs you got on Incomparable?
We got like, what, 14 tracks on it? Dope songs, got everything on there, man.
What's the mood of the mixtape?
It's everything, like, I mean, from the intro, it's like, it's hard just to get the tempo going, you know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to, I mean, I see it like, I don't start from going hard, something street, and the next song, a party song, you basically fucking up people's vibes, and you know what I'm saying? I try to stick to that street shit, then probably move forward to what's going on in the hood, you know what I'm saying? And after that, hit them with some club bangers, probably a love song, and then go back to that street shit. That's what Incomparable is basically about.
I'm gonna give you an incomparable test. I don't know if you're ready.
Alright, we here.
I'll be in a project. See, they make it complicated when it's type logic. I ball like a sidekick.
That's track 12. Track 12, it's a freestyle called It's Good. It's a track by Lil Wayne and Jada and Drake. And shit, I just did I did a remix to it and shot a freestyle video, so that shit got like a couple of thousand views, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's number 12.
Beat it like a beat maker, just give me a reason. Show you how to do it and put it in sequence.
Y'all don't hear me though, man. That shit buzzing right now, you know what I'm saying? That shit buzzing like crazy. That's track 2.
I'm one of a kind. These lips can never clone me. Don't come with your hand out if it was never homies.
Yeah, it's the oldest freestyle by Kanye and Jigga. What track is that? It's track number 10? Yeah.
Have so much in common in every way, we all related. She's so much fun, the only girl I would love to stay with.
Before I go, featuring my boy Dre B. Shout out to my nigga too, man. One of the dopest producers out there, you know what I'm saying? He on his grind. Some produce probably like 80% of the beats. And shout out to DB Cooper. You know what I'm saying? Homie goes hard. That's anybody that's making beats out there, man. Shit tough.
I'm sure they got the picture, no gallery. I headed to my room, she wasn't tweeting, but she.
That's Anything Goes featuring Chief for the Leo. This track is like number 9. Yeah.
The more I try to live, the harder my life get. But I'd rather give and empty my pockets.
Yeah, that's one of that's probably the most honesty song on there. That's Imperfect World Inside My Head, track 3. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that track right there is so important to me. It's so important to whoever that could relate to it. Cause it goes beyond everything, you know what I'm saying? We in the process of shooting a music video for that too. And it's gonna take some time. Cause like the picture I have, the vision I got, the director gotta be able to bring that out, you know what I'm saying? And stick to it. Yeah.
The love will never end, plenty of pleasure and we zoning.
Worldwide, shout out to the homegirl Shemi. You know what I'm saying? She did that hook. That hook was on point, man. You know what I'm saying? She down with the P.E.G gang. You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Life's a hole that I slept with. Good morning, bitch. It's close to 6. Put on your clothes, hit the door and split.
That's the first track. That's the intro. It's called Incomparable. You know what I'm saying? That's basically an introduction to the whole movie. I call it a movie, man. You know what I'm saying? Call this shit a movie. You know what I'm saying? Get your popcorns and download this shit and just put some headphones on and zone out, my niggas. You don't regret it.
Life's a bitch, I try to get to know her. Told her from the get-go, you can't sleep over.
That's like The Stars with Dre Beats and Chief for the Leo. And it's crazy. The crazy shit is like we shooting the video for that tomorrow.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying?
Your boy lazy over there, don't compare me to him. Life is a gamble, I swear we gon' win.
Yo, my son can't prepare, man. How you gonna do me like this, man? But that's track. That's I got the juice now. We performing that soon. You know what I'm saying? They actually hit me up about this song in particular. And this club owner, he was like, "Yo, come through and bless him with this track and a couple of other songs." But that's gonna be the main song I'm performing. You know? Look out to that.
And the last one.
They want war, I will let the heat blow. My whole life, only shot I missed was a free throw.
That's Deception. Deception, that shit go hard. To me, that's like, I actually got the Biggie Smalls in a skit on an intro, you know what I'm saying? Because to me, that's where the influence came from about this song. Because that was like, I see him as like the best storyteller.
That was my next question.
Like, no, like, I just relate, I copy his path, because I'm the type of nigga, I'm saying, I'm an honest nigga. Like, if something inspired me to better myself, I'm not gonna, you know, I'm not gonna front like, oh, da-da-da. Nah, I came up with that. I came up with this on my own. Like, Biggie Smalls really set the path for that song, you know what I'm saying? And that shit tell a fucking story, man.
Now, here's my question. You gonna tell any more stories in any future albums, or that's gonna be it for you?
Well, as far as
telling stories in albums, because we know Big.
When these producers out there send me beats, whatever the mood I get from that beat, that's what I ride on. That's what I roll with. You know what I'm saying? And it all depends. I'm an artist. I'm not a rapper. There's a big difference between the two. You know what I'm saying? A rapper just raps about what he see like that's selling or what everybody else is doing. You know what I'm saying? And I might just come out and talk about shit like niggas probably would not listen to, but for the time being, just me being in the studio doing it, if I enjoy doing this shit, that's what's important, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
How hot is a kid in Africa with 10 sweaters?
Hotter than an African kid with 10 sweaters, hoodie and scarf while rocking a chinchilla. Niggas will kill you if you couldn't aim better. Have you flat in the coffin, the best plank ever. Wanna talk guns, the 9 squeeze your whole face. Have your profile down to a close case. The best liquor in the world got no taste. But fuck it, tell the bartender hit me with no chase. The cutest bitch in the world got no shape. The baddest one with the curve got no face. Life's a bitch with a head game that's so great, but won't last forever. Shit remind me of a snowflake. P.E.G, you know what I'm saying? Priceless Enterprise Music Group. Shout out to the homeboy, Negative B. You know what I'm saying? Chief for the Leo, Moolah, my nigga Dre Beats, and Surge from Party Replay, you know what I'm saying? You know what it is. Incomparable Mixtape Volume 1. Get that.
Let them know where they could get that at.
hotnewhiphop.com/Roctoba, thatpiff.com. You know what I'm saying? Google my name and shit. YouTube, Roctoba TV, that's the YouTube link. Twitter, Roctoba. Like my music page, Facebook/Roctoba. Just, you know what I'm saying? Just Google my name, everything gonna pop up, you know what I'm saying? And check me out on Worldstar. That's what we focusing on as far as everything, and just pushing this shit, you know what I'm saying? TUOKAM TV. We on here all day, Dega. What up, nigga? Hayshaun, what's good? Holla at your motherfucking boy, man.
TUOKAM TV.